This is the Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni, and in this video it's going to have to deal with an awful lot. And I mean an awful lot. But this robot vacuum is actually one of the value ones. The premium feel of the base station as well as the robot itself is incredible. It even comes with its own cleaning solution. But setting this thing up is just as simple. Turn it on, scan the QR code and set it up in the app. It walks you through the whole process. I'm not going to bore you in this video, but it is super simple. Once it's set up, then you need to send it out mapping. This is where it will use all of the intelligent sensors on the robot vacuum to map your location. It will create all of the different areas and all of the different rooms. And then when it's done, it will head back to the base station to charge. But you can still edit all of those rooms. So for example, on my final map, it gave me a bedroom when that is not a bedroom. So I can quickly go into it and change the name. It is actually my studio, call it studio, and then press save, and there it is. Now the robot also created two rooms, which was actually just one room. It was my hallway. So I can go in and press combine. I can select the two rooms to combine, and then it's done. Simple. And again, I can then quickly go in and change the name from room to hallway. And then you've got your map complete. Finally, fill up the clean water tank and then pop that back into the base station and then add the cleaning solution. Now you're ready to go. Now I don't know about you, but I enjoy cooking, but I'm a terrible cook and I make loads of mess. Here it goes all over the floor. Now, this is a little bit of a tricky job. Is it going to spread all of those oats everywhere or is it going to clear them all up? Let's check. So this is a 100% genuine test. Where it does miss things, I will highlight that to you, but I'm going to show you how good this vacuum does. Remember, this is one of the value type vacuums that shouldn't really do as good as it does. But as you can see, I've sped this up just so it's a little bit quicker, but it is going up and down and really cleaning them all. But it has just missed a little bit underneath the unit, and that's really probably the corner that it just cannot get into. So I did just have to go into that extreme corner when it had all finished and just pull out those last few. I don't think that's a big deal. Okay, now let's really test it. So here I've got mayonnaise, and I've also got brown sauce or barbecue sauce, and I've got ketchup. Now I'm not just going to leave it in this pile, I'm really going to move it and spread it in, and hopefully it will make it harder for the robot vacuum. And I'm going to let the vacuum do its thing. I'm going to be interested to see what the vacuum looks like after. To give you an idea of the size, all of these are around a handprint size stain. And as you can see, the robot vacuum immediately, just after one pass, pretty much clears the mayonnaise. It goes over the brown sauce, not quite fully over it, but it's got the majority of its first pass. And when it goes over it again, it pretty much does the whole thing. Now finally, it's just the ketchup, one pass, and it's all gone. Brilliant. Now, I wasn't as confident in this robot vacuum as I should have been, because I did actually set it to go on 2 passes and deep clean. Now, you can do that if you wish, and all you're going to get is an even cleaner floor. So after I couldn't see any sign of any of the stains, it still went over and completely cleaned it again. It went back to the base station, it cleaned the roller mop, and that was a thorough clean, and then it came back out again to finish off. Unlike other robot vacuums that have the pad which just drags dirt around the floor, or the spinning pads which doesn't really do much better, T90 Pro Omni has a 27cm roller mop. This is the OZMOROLLER 3.0, and the key feature is that it is self-washing as it goes. Water is being constantly dripped down, cleaning the roller, so you're not dragging dirty stains and mess all around the floor. And you'll notice from my test there were no smears and no mess left behind, and that's why it did such a good job. That roller mop also extends, and this is what gives you the TruEdge 3.0 extreme edge cleaning. It extends and therefore gets into the extreme edges of your room, and that means when it's spinning and the roller is working, everything stays clean. So hard floors, it's brilliant for, but what about carpet? Well, I'm going to give it a really good test. Now this is crunched up biscuits, and some of these are really quite large in size, so I don't have much hope for it picking up these ones. Now the first thing that you'll notice is that when the robot vacuum detects carpet, it will automatically lift the roller mop out of the way so the carpet doesn't get wet, and it does this up to 15mm. The vacuum uses blast technology, which is high airflow suction, and it has ZeroTangle 4.0, and I'll show you how it does on hairs in a few seconds. But the blast technology maintains strong and stable airflow, and this lifts as much as it possibly can. And you've got different settings within the app depending on how much debris is around. I had this on quite a high setting, and so therefore the suction was at close to top power, the one below top power. And I have to say, I'm absolutely blown away that it's got all of those big bits. Remember, when the dust compartment gets full, it will just go back to the machine, the station, and empty it. So the T90 Pro Omni has just about finished, and we're going to compare the before and after. Remember, top left corner is how many big bits and everything were in there before. Now, I did manage to find just a few specks of crumbs just in the corner, but overall it's a cracking result. So I think for me the big difference is the improvement in the pascals of air pressure. 30,000 pascals of maximum suction really does mean it gets everything. And together with the side brush, which scoops debris into the middle and then lifts out of the way when necessary, and that central roller brush, which is the ZeroTangle system, it means it deals with dog hair and other hairs incredibly well. It literally just hoovers them up, sucks them up with no sign of it tangling. And if I slow this part down where you can see that the brush is doing exactly what it's intended to do, where it grabs the hair and just brings it into the vacuum. And afterwards there is absolutely no sign of any tangle at all. It's brilliant. A feature I was really surprised to see on the T90 Pro Omni was the PowerBoost Charging, and this is where in between cycles, when it goes back to clean the mop, it will give you a charge boost. And in my case, whilst it was cleaning the mop, I was able to get another 6%. Now this just means that you'll end up shortening the jobs and the task will be completed quicker, which is definitely very convenient. It does a fantastic job with obstacle avoidance also, so that you're not dragging a shoe around the room.
In the kitchen.
And it's even got voice control, where you can tell the vacuum to go and clean a certain area, and off it will go. This is fantastic if you get an unexpected spill somewhere. And with its incredible drive system, thresholds and ramps are easily overcome. So I'll run through the main features which I was really impressed with this robot vacuum in just a second. But this really is a comprehensive machine, and remember, this is not the top of the range, so therefore it's definitely one that I would recommend. So after all that, and using this for a couple of weeks, I can list the top 6 features both on the vacuuming and on the mopping side. These were just things that really impressed me. And if you have a read through them, and if these are the type of things which are important to you, then definitely this is a robot vacuum that you ought to consider. But really, it comes down to the following things. So if you're the type of person that wants flagship level performance, but it's also ideal for someone who's budget conscious, and you've got mixed flooring types, and have kids or pets or both, but you still really want something that is very easy to operate and exceptionally low maintenance, well, my friends, the Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni has to be one that you ought to consider. That's it for this video, my friends. Check out the links in the description, and I can't stress enough how impressed I am with this product. Thanks for watching, my friends. See you on the next.